Efficiency in personal finance is about getting the most value out of every dollar you earn and every hour you spend on money management. Efficiency isn't about being cheap. It is about maximizing your output while minimizing waste, friction, and unnecessary costs. The Pareto principle suggests that 80% of your financial results often come from just 20% of your actions. Focus on automating your savings, trimming high-fee investments, and using tax-advantaged accounts to keep more of what you earn. While frugality is about spending less, efficiency is about ensuring that every dollar spent works harder for your long-term goals. Even small differences in investment fees compound over decades, significantly impacting how much wealth you retain in your portfolio. Remember that being efficient with your money matters little if you are not directing those resources toward the right goals. Take a moment to audit your financial systems today. Subscribe for more basics on managing your money effectively.